The longer you ride, the more these motorcycle gadgets start making sense. Everyone in this list solves a different part of owning, parking, maintaining, or riding a motorcycle that usually gets overlooked at first. If you love your new motorcycle as much as I do creating these videos for you, hit like, subscribe, and let's count them down. Starting at number 13, we have the INNOVV ThirdEYE Blind Spot Monitor. The INNOVV ThirdEYE Blind Spot Monitor keeps track of the space beside your motorcycle that mirrors don't always cover once traffic starts moving around you. Its millimeter wave radar follows nearby cars and motorcycles in real time, then warns you as one moves into the blind spot. The alert changes as traffic changes, so it keeps tracking instead of reacting once and stopping. Unlike a camera, it is not collecting footage. It is constantly measuring where nearby vehicles are while the ride is happening. It solves a part of riding that usually stays invisible until traffic becomes much busier than expected. Coming in at number 12, we have the GripLok Motorcycle Lever Lock. The GripLok Motorcycle Lever Lock secures the motorcycle by locking the front brake instead of depending only on the steering lock. Once the clamp locks onto the brake lever, the front wheel cannot roll freely, making the bike much harder to move. The adjustable design fits different lever shapes without changing anything on the motorcycle, while the hardened steel locking pin keeps the lock firmly secured. It takes only a few seconds to fit and disappears into a pocket afterwards. It protects something many riders assume the factory steering lock was already handling. Now at number 11, we have the ANCEL Brake Fluid Tester. The ANCEL Brake Fluid Tester measures the condition of brake fluid instead of relying on how clean or dark it looks. The electronic probe checks the moisture inside the fluid and displays the result through simple LED indicators within a few seconds. It works with DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 brake fluids used by most modern motorcycles. The pen-sized body stores easily with the rest of your tools, but the useful part is the reading itself. It shows what is happening inside the braking system instead of leaving the condition to guesswork. Taking the number 10 spot is the Stop and Go Tubeless Tire Repair Kit. The Stop and Go Tubeless Tire Repair Kit repairs a punctured tubeless motorcycle tire without removing the wheel. Its mushroom-shaped plug locks inside the puncture instead of simply filling the hole, creating a secure mechanical seal. The kit includes the insertion tool, reamer, lubricant, repair plugs, and a hard case that keeps every piece together. Everything is designed around getting the tire sealed where the puncture happens, rather than waiting until the motorcycle reaches a workshop. It quietly solves one of those situations that never seems important until the ride suddenly stops. Coming in at number 9, we have the HelmetLok. The HelmetLok gives your helmet a place to stay once the ride stops. Instead of taking the helmet everywhere, it locks securely to the motorcycle using the helmet's D-rings and a steel cable. The locking body clips onto a solid part of the bike, so the helmet stays exactly where you left it. Everything folds into a compact size once unlocked, making it easy to keep in a pocket or tank bag between rides. It solves one of those small parts of motorcycle ownership that usually doesn't exist until the first time you park somewhere and realize your helmet has suddenly become extra luggage. Up next, we have the Battery Tender USB Charger with SAE Quick Connect. The Battery Tender USB Charger turns the motorcycle into a reliable power source instead of treating every ride like a countdown on your phone battery. Once the SAE lead is connected to the battery, the charger plugs in within seconds and supplies steady USB power while the engine is running. The weather-resistant cap protects the port from rain, dust, and road grime when it is not being used. It powers navigation, helmet communicators, action cameras, and other USB devices without adding bulky battery packs to the handlebars. It quietly becomes part of the motorcycle, which is exactly why riders stop thinking about charging once it is installed. Sitting at number 7, we have the Kaoko Throttle Lock. The Kaoko Throttle Lock changes one part of riding that only becomes noticeable after the road keeps going straight. Instead of constantly holding the throttle in exactly the same position, the adjustment wheel adds controlled friction that keeps the throttle where you leave it. Small speed changes still feel natural because the throttle continues to work normally, and releasing the friction takes only a quick twist. The entire mechanism is mechanical, so there are no electronics, batteries, or software involved. It is a tiny part fitted to the end of the handlebar, yet it changes how long stretches of road feel without changing how the motorcycle is ridden. Moving into number 6, we have the Pinlock Anti-Fog Visor Insert. The Pinlock Anti-Fog Visor Insert fixes one of those problems that usually shows up on the first cold morning or rainy ride. Instead of clearing fog after it appears, the insert creates a sealed air gap inside the visor to stop condensation from forming in the first place. It locks onto Pinlock-ready visors using 2 small pins, so it becomes part of the helmet instead of another accessory to carry. Once fitted, the visor stays much clearer during slow traffic, cooler weather, and changing temperatures. It is a simple upgrade, but one that completely changes how often the visor needs attention. Coming in at number 5, we have the NOCO Boost Sport GB20. The NOCO Boost Sport GB20 starts a motorcycle with a flat battery without waiting for another rider or another vehicle. Its lithium battery delivers enough starting power through compact jumper clamps, while built-in protection checks for reverse polarity, short circuits, and incorrect connections before power is delivered. It also doubles as a USB power bank for charging a phone, GPS, or helmet communicator between rides. An integrated LED flashlight is built into the housing for low-light situations. It spends most of its life doing absolutely nothing, which, for an emergency gadget, is actually a good sign. Taking the number 4 spot, we have the Cobrra Nemo 2 Automatic Chain Oiler. The Cobrra Nemo 2 Automatic Chain Oiler keeps the chain lubricated without stopping every few hundred miles to grab a spray can. A quick twist of the reservoir releases a measured amount of oil that feeds directly onto the chain while the motorcycle is moving. The oil spreads gradually across the chain and sprockets instead of arriving all at once, helping maintain more consistent lubrication. The system works without pumps, electronics, or the motorcycle's electrical system, keeping the design surprisingly simple. It quietly turns chain lubrication from a separate job into something the motorcycle is already taking care of while the ride continues. Breaking into the top 3, we have the FOBO Bike 2 Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The FOBO Bike 2 Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System keeps checking your tire pressure long after you've stopped thinking about it. Small Bluetooth sensors replace the standard valve caps and measure both tire pressure and temperature while the motorcycle is moving. The readings are sent straight to your phone, and the app warns you if pressure starts dropping or a tire heats up more than expected. Each sensor has its own battery that can be replaced. Instead of replacing the whole unit, it quietly keeps an eye on something that usually gets noticed only after the motorcycle starts feeling different. Up next, we have the Monimoto 9 GPS Motorcycle Tracker. The Monimoto 9 GPS Motorcycle Tracker stays completely out of sight until the motorcycle starts moving without you. The tracker is hidden almost anywhere on the bike and works with a small wireless key fob. If the motorcycle moves while the fob is not nearby, the tracker calls your phone first, then starts sending its live GPS location through the app. Because it has its own battery, it keeps working even if the motorcycle's battery is disconnected. It spends nearly all of its time waiting, which is exactly what a tracker should do. The interesting part only starts when something else starts moving. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the BrakeFree Smart Wireless Helmet Brake Light. The BrakeFree Smart Wireless Helmet Brake Light adds a brake light where drivers naturally spend the most time looking, your helmet. Instead of wiring into the motorcycle, it uses built-in sensors to detect braking and lights up automatically. That means it works on different motorcycles without connecting to the bike's electrical system. High on the helmet, the light stays visible above many car roofs, making it easier to spot in slow traffic and at junctions. It charges by USB, mounts with a simple helmet bracket, and works completely wirelessly. It is one of those gadgets that feels surprisingly obvious once you see it, yet it rarely appears on anyone's first shopping list.